Yeah, later na ako magbabattle ulit. Parang ako nakahanap ng friends, ano? Pero talaga, hindi pa ako, like, never ko pa naisip pumunta ng Korea. And then for some reason, now I have friends there. Pero okay naman. Okay. Mamaya ako na, invite ulit si Ethan. I will take rest lang muna. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, guys? Hope you guys have it. 12 million likes na tayo. Damn. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Okay. Guys, huwag niyo masyadong seryosohin yung mga biro. Siyempre, para lang maging happy, diba, yung conversation. Sige. I'll be right back. Pag mute muna ako, kuha muna ako ng pagkain. I'll be right back, okay? Bye. Bye. Kain tayo, okra. Hindi kayo matutuwa. Boiled egg lang talaga, tsaka okra. Tapos itlog na may ketchup. Diet ako eh. Wow! Healthy daw! Apat po na itlog and then only okra. Guys, I'm not battling po muna. I'm going to chill. Recharge muna tayo ng natin. Battery. Social battery. Gusto niyo ba mag-battle ako habang kumakain? Hi, Ray! Anong oras ba tayo nag-start mag-live? 1? 2 hours na pala yun? 2 hours na ba? 1 yata. Steam lang po na may konting soy sauce and vinegar. Mm. Mm. How tall am I? 5'3.5". So, minsan sinasabi ko 5'4". Kusang darating yan, guys. Wait lang. Battle na kami, guys. Wait lang. Mamaya. After ko kumain, sige. Mm. Mm. $12.4 na tayo. Question is, when do I get off? Just. Kailangan ko pa i-edit yung mga video na sinut ko kanina and then i-submit ko for approval. And then, gusto ko mag-workout. Kasi, 2 weeks na akong baldado, guys. 2 weeks akong naka-crutches. Kahit saan ako magpunta. Kasi na-injure nga ako sa taping. Ngayon, nakakalakad na ako. Nakalakad na ako ng slide. Maybe I can show you. Mamaya na. Pero if you wanna see my knee, though. Ayan, ano pa ako. Pero nakalakad na ako. Hindi ko na kailangan ng crutches. So, happy about that. Hindi pa. Ketchup lang po. Boiled egg lang po and ketchup. Tomato po. Actually, hindi ko alam. Baka ano na ako mag-log out kasi. Diyan yung mga bata. Black po. My hair color is black. You only smoke them all. Not sure kung babalik pa ako, guys. Pag nag-off ako, I'm gonna... Kasi maraming taong kailangan gawin. May taping pa bukas, magbabasa pa ako ng scrape. And then... Yun. I don't know. Abang-abang na lang ulit. Sa lahat ng nagtatap-tap, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng nagtatap-tap, thank you. Follow. Hindi naman. What time should I get off? Maybe 4. I'm done. No po. It's very maaraw here. Oh. Savior. Hindi po ako nagpi-PA. Yung mga PA sa set, yun yung mga... Yes po, nag-PK na kami. Pero pwede naman ulit mamaya. Hindi pa naman yata siya mag-off eh. Nag-gym pa yata siya. Yes po, sa show namin ako lang nagme-makeup. Yes. Amihan days? Shems. Dark brown? I don't want to battle anyone right now. Okay. Let me recharge. Bilang isang introvert, medyo ano ako doon. But I'm so grateful for Nana for helping me kasi wala talaga akong clue dito sa TikTok, guys. I have no clue. I have no clue. I think I will make paalam na lang. I don't want to battle anyone muna. I think if I go na ako. And also, nagpas na? Totoo ba? Hindi Papahinga ako. 4 hours pa lang tulog ko, guys. Pagkatapos ng battle. Minsan po. Minsan po, kumakain ako ng kanin, but not every day. Yeah, bait ni Nana, diba? Actually, I wouldn't mind kung sabay kaming pupunta ng Korea. Kasi ang bait niya. Mamaya na ako magbabattle, guys. Ayoko mag-promise. Oh, thank you! That's my last! Oh my God! My gallery is filled! Thank you! Sino nag-send nun? Thank you so much. Let's check. Oh my gosh, I'm filled. Thank you, guys. I'll try joining them now.
Look at this. Look at this.
Tea.
Yeah,
Oh.
me.
Eat, finish?
Finish.
Why so fast?
Fast? No, fast.
Enjoy it. Delicious.
Yes. I will go now, okay? Bye, baby. I will go. Off.
There you go. Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Off live.
Oh, then tonight try or just
Hug.
rest it.
I will hug. Hug. Baby, also.
잠시만. Okay, I will hug together. Okay.
Okay, there.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know if I will come here. I
Okay,
don't-
understand. Just
No problem.
spell message, please. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Go Lasty. Thank you. Thank you.
Take a rest well.
All right. I will go now, guys. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na, Bob.
Bye-bye.